Good morning, Foray. Today is Wednesday, the 20th of May, and today is another day of learning, but no assessments today. Let's take a look at what we have to do today. Um, According to your timetable, your first lesson will be maths today. In maths, again, you are going to be looking at negative and positive numbers, and you're going to be looking at temperatures. Okay, so again, a very similar or same concept from yesterday. Okay, so nothing new, should be easy enough. All right, then your second lesson is English. Guys, in this class, you need to complete your workbook practice. Okay. I am expecting that everyone will have submitted their work by today. Okay, this is your lesson for workbook practice. You have 40 minutes to at least finish those workbook pages, and then you can do your pupil book in your own time. But workbook practice has to be submitted by today. All right, your third lesson is music, fourth lesson is art, and the last lesson you will have Arabic. You need to check your timetable, and those who have PSE will have PSE lesson with me. In PSE, we are going to be talking about skills and how building skills or developing skills in your life will help you get a good job or a job that you want in the future. All right, perfect. So the riddle for yesterday. Right. Okay. So what has, oh, sorry, no, not what has. It belongs to you, but other people use it more than you do. What is it? So the answer was your name. Okay, you don't actually say your own name very often. It's most of the time it's other people saying your name or calling your name, right? Okay, how many answers did I have? I've had um 14 answers only. Okay, guys, thank you so much for answering under the video. But honestly, if people are not watching these videos and answering, um, that means basically there's no point in me making these videos, right? Anyway, Celine, thank you. The answer is your name. Mohammed, name. Anya, Anahita, Shaheen, Saif, Divine, Samiha, Sham, Yalmaz, Ryan, Zohaib, Simra, and Hayden. What about everyone else? Where were you this morning? Why were you not watching the video, and why did you not post your answer? All right. Anyway, the riddle for today is what has legs but doesn't walk? All right, once again, what has legs but doesn't walk? This is an easy one, hopefully. Please leave your answers below. Um, I was reading facts about scientists, but I realized they're really hard to understand. So I just like to say some fun facts about food, and I'm gonna be talking about bananas. So, bananas are the fruit produced by various banana plants. When they are ripe, they are usually long and curved with soft inside covered by a yellow skin. Bananas can be found in other colors, including red. Banana plants are not trees, they are a type of herb. Humans have grown bananas for thousands of years. Most species of banana plant originated in Southeast Asia, and then it obviously spread into other countries. Bananas grow in large, hanging bunches. A row of bananas is sometimes called a hand, while a single banana is called a finger. The average banana weighs around 125 grams. Actually, just the inside of a banana, right? Bananas contain around 75% of water. So basically, no, 70. So basically, most of banana is made up of water. Bananas have high nutritional value and a healthy snack. Um, okay. India, you would be surprised to know that India is the leading producer of bananas. Bananas sent overseas to other countries are picked green and ripened under special conditions when they reach their destination. Um, Fiber taken from banana plants can be used to make clothes. Wow. And bananas contain a lot of potassium, making them more radioactive than other fruits. You don't need to worry though, as this naturally occurring radiation has very little effect on the body. Other foods rich in potassium include potatoes, beans, seeds, and nuts. All right, so that's all from me for today. We will be meeting on Microsoft Teams at 1:30 today, so please be there on time, and I will be on Microsoft Teams. So see you guys later. Have an amazing day.